Hello students, in this video I will explain three important problems which will be generally asked for 3 marks, and you can expect this type of question also. See the question: if A and B are symmetric matrices, then prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. And you should know the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose or A dash is equal to A, and it is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to minus A, and this is the result you should know. And it is given that A and B are symmetric matrices, and that implies A is equal to A transpose, and B is also symmetric, therefore B is equal to B transpose. Now you have to show that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. That means AB minus BA transpose is equal to BA minus AB, or minus of AB minus BA. You have to show like that. And let us take AB minus BA is equal to C. And you have to show that C transpose is equal to minus C. If C transpose is equal to minus C, then C is a skew symmetric matrix. And what is C? AB minus BA, which is a skew symmetric matrix. Let us take AB minus BA is equal to C. And what is C transpose? C transpose is equal to AB minus BA transpose, because C is equal to AB minus BA. And A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Therefore, AB transpose minus BA transpose. And you know this result: AB transpose is equal to AB dash, or AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, B transpose into A transpose. This result you should know. And if you apply that result now, it is B transpose into A transpose, and B transpose is equal to A transpose into B transpose. What is B transpose? B, because A and B are symmetric matrix. B transpose is B, A transpose is A, and A transpose is A, and B transpose is B, and which is equal to BA minus AB. And you can take minus, and you can take minus sign common. You will have C transpose is equal to minus of AB minus BA. And what is AB minus BA? C, and that's equal to minus C, and that is C transpose is equal to minus C. Therefore C is a skew symmetric matrix. And what is C? AB minus BA. That is AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. And this is one question which will be asked for 3 marks. Now you see this question: if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then show that AB is symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. That is the meaning of commutative property. Now it is given that A and B are symmetric matrices. Therefore A is equal to A transpose and B is equal to B transpose. Now you have to show that AB is a symmetric if and only if A and B are commutative. Let us take the first part, that is AB is symmetric. Let us assume that AB is symmetric, and what you have to show? AB is equal to BA. You have to show AB is equal to BA. And AB is symmetric, therefore AB is equal to AB transpose. Because it is symmetric matrix, AB is equal to AB transpose. What is AB transpose? B transpose into A transpose. What is B transpose? B. And what is A transpose? A. B transpose is B and A transpose is equal to A. Therefore AB is equal to BA. And let us take the reverse of this. That is, if AB is equal to BA, we have to show that AB is a symmetric matrix. Now let us take AB is equal to BA. We have to show that AB is symmetric. And to prove that AB is symmetric matrix, you have to show that AB transpose is equal to AB. And let us take AB transpose. What is AB transpose? That is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is the standard result. What is B transpose? B transpose is B, and what is A transpose? A transpose is A. That is AB transpose is equal to B into A. And now it is given that AB is equal to BA. Therefore, what is BA? BA is AB only. Therefore, AB transpose is equal to AB. And AB transpose is equal to AB. Therefore, AB is a symmetric matrix. And this is the method of proving that AB is symmetric. And this is again 3-mark question. Let us come to the third important question that was asked in the previous exam. If A and B are invertible matrices of the same order, then prove that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. And to show that AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse, let us assume that A and B are invertible matrices. It is given that A and B are invertible matrix. A and B are invertible matrix means there is a matrix A inverse, that A into A inverse equal to I. A and B are invertible matrix means there is a matrix A inverse and B inverse such that A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I, and similarly B into B inverse is equal to B inverse into B is equal to I. We will have these two results because it is given that A and B are invertible matrix. The meaning of invertible is there exists a matrix A inverse such that A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Now you have to show that AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Start like this. AB inverse means inverse of AB, and let us take the multiplication of AB into AB inverse. Now AB into AB inverse is equal to identity matrix because AB is inverse of AB, and if you multiply the inverse of the matrix with any matrix you will get the identity matrix. But you have to show that AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. To show this, first you multiply A inverse. It is not minus A minus 1, it is A inverse. It is not A minus 1, it is A inverse. A power minus 1, it is not there here. Multiplying both sides by A inverse. A inverse into AB into AB inverse. AB into AB inverse is as it is here. This you have to multiply by A inverse. A inverse. In the right side also you have to multiply by A inverse. A inverse into I. And you know that matrix multiplication is associative, therefore you can write like this: A inverse into A inverse into A in the first, and later B as it is, and AB inverse is equal to A inverse into I. What is A inverse into A? That is equal to I, and I into B into AB inverse, and I into B is equal to B. Now you operate B inverse both sides in the left side only, and multiplying B inverse both sides, we will have B inverse into B into AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. And now multiplying B inverse both sides, that is multiplying both sides by B power minus 1. It is also not B minus 1, it is B inverse. And B inverse into B into AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Now what is B inverse into B? I. I into AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. And I into anything is same matrix, therefore AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse, and that is what we wanted to show. And this is again a 3-mark question, and if you go through these 3-mark questions, it is sufficient for the annual exam. In the next video I will explain 5-mark questions, and at least 2 to 3 questions I will solve. And thank you.